What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a shoe dryer bag. And I purchased this from Amazon. So right here, we have the zipper. And the bag is pretty big, you guys, okay? I do have my shoes here because I was doing a review. So I do have shoes right here. And my shoes are size 11 and they fit in there perfectly. Now, you only could fit 2 pair in here, you guys. You can't fit 4 pair of shoes. All right. So that's how that fits in. Taking this off, we take that out right there, pull that back. I don't know how far back it goes, but we'll leave it like that. Alright, should be able to lift up and lift out. Alright, now we're going to put the strap on. So make sure the zipper is on the inside. Alright, hold this up right here for y'all because I got y'all further down. And then I'll wrap it around. Voila. Wrap it around. Alright. Alright, that's pretty cool. So we around. And now we're gonna put this back on the inside. Alright, fold this down like that. And then make sure they're clipped on, and it's clipped on. So that's how you put your shoe dryer net on. All right. Now we're gonna put our shoes on. Shoe. Make sure you put your zipper on. Zipper. And that's it. Up and it fits. All right, now these are a size, I believe a size 11. So yeah, but it fits though. It is in there. And now we're going to turn our dryer on. Right here. I'm just doing a quick dry. Oh, I still got my sticker on, you guys, but yeah, you can basically see it in there. So shoes are still there, and that's it. Now you don't have no big dumping inside of your dryer, and that will be all.